Hey guys, once again it's Maniac aka the Geekcreit here. Today I'm doing another quick review video on something I ordered from Banggood. So this time it's a set of LEDs, namely 375 LEDs coming in two different sizes and 5 different colors. So I've quickly put together this little circuit board to see, for you to see that they are actually working. They look nice, although the green one is a bit weaker than I expected. I mean weaker than the others. But other than that, they look and work good. However, here's a catch. If you check the Banggood product page, there's a table there listing operational parameters like current, forward voltage, and so on. And you will see that the forward voltage is way off for some of the LEDs. For example, for the green one, it says forward voltage must be somewhere between 3.2 and 3.4 volts. So technically it means that in this circuit I made with the node MC, which provides 3.3 volts of voltage, you shouldn't even use a resistor. However, I went ahead, I tried it, and of course without the resistor the LEDs will fry immediately. Some people already reported this in the comments, but Banggood did not do too much to fix the table, so watch out. Those voltages are higher than they should be, and I suggest you to use a resistor somewhere around 68 ohms at least. You can use a larger one to stay on the safe side, but for these I used 68 ohms and it works fine. Other than that, everything went fine with these little guys. I received it in a good condition, good packaging. I never really had serious problems with Banggood's packaging or delivery times whatsoever. So other than that problematic table, I still suggest to buy these. These look good. Okay, I don't want to waste more time. Thanks for watching this, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe and the like button. And thank you again. So see you the next time.